Let's make a delicious and easy mac and cheese with roasted tomatoes. The ingredients are grape tomatoes, olive oil, dried thyme, paprika, salt and pepper, elbow macaroni, grated parmesan, flour, 1% milk, shredded sharp cheddar, plain breadcrumbs, and garlic. Preheat the oven to 400 and slice the tomatoes in half. Arrange the tomatoes on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, and sprinkle thyme, salt, and minced garlic. Bake for 12 minutes until the tomatoes start to dry out. At the same time, cook the pasta according to the package directions. Place the flour in a saucepan on medium heat and gradually stir in the milk with a whisk until it becomes thick and bubbly. Next, add the cheese and pepper, stirring until the cheese melts, and remove the pan from the heat. Stir in the roasted tomatoes and cooked pasta. Spoon the mac and cheese into an oven-safe dish. Combine the grated parmesan, paprika, and breadcrumbs in a small bowl, then sprinkle over the pasta mixture evenly. Bake for 25 minutes or until it becomes bubbly. For extra protein, add another ingredient of your choice, like chicken.